Hi friends, I'm Luma, and this is a new video from TinyZen Kids. Today we're going to enjoy a fun yoga session together, and my friend is here to help us. Let's gently unfold our mat. Take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Are you ready? Let's start. Before we begin, if you enjoy yoga with me, tap like and subscribe to TinyZen Kids so you don't miss any new adventures. Let's start with a breathing game. We breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, slowly breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay still, 1, 2, 3, 4, great job, let's do it one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, slowly breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay still, 1, 2, 3, 4, great job. Let's become brave lions together. Take a big breath in. Now open your mouth wide, stick out your tongue. Roar, feel your strength, feel your power. Lions are strong, and you are too. Let's do it again and have fun. Let's build a strong bridge together. Lie on your back, bend your knees. Feet on the mat, ready? Now push your hips up to the sky. Wow, you're a super strong bridge. Feel your body lifting, strong and steady. Keep breathing, you're doing amazing. And, gently come down. Great job, little yogi. Let's try it again. Time to have so much fun. Lie on your back, grab your feet with your hands. And now, rock side to side like a happy baby. This is so fun. Smile, laugh, and enjoy the movement. Feel your body relax, happy, playful, and free. You're an amazing, happy baby. Let's keep playing. Ready for a challenge? Let's be super strong. Lie on your tummy, arms by your sides. Now lift your chest, and lift your legs. Woo! You're flying like a superhero. Hold it, stay strong. You can do it. Breathe in, and keep lifting. Wind face. You're powerful, brave, and strong. And, gently relax. Amazing job, little yogi. Let's try again. Let's turn into a magical bow. Lie on your tummy, bend your knees. Now reach back and grab your feet. Ready? Lift your chest, and lift your legs. Wow, you're a strong, shiny bow. Feel your body opening and stretching. Hold it, breathe, you're doing amazing. Great job. Time to relax your back? Sit on your knees. Now slowly fold forward. Rest your forehead on the mat, arms long or by your sides. Feel your back melting and relaxing. Take a deep breath in and out. You are calm, safe, and peaceful. Stay here for a moment. Beautiful job. Come down into a little squat, feet on the mat. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Can you stay balanced? Lift your chest, keep your back tall, and stay steady like a strong little yogi. Wobble a little? That's okay. Just try again. Breathe, smile, and hold your balance. You're doing amazing. Let's step into a beautiful crescent moon. Bring your right foot forward, left knee down on the mat. Now lift your arms high, hands together in prayer above your head. White heart, feel tall, strong, and proud. Gently look up, like you're reaching for the moon. Keep your balance, and breathe slowly. You're shining bright, little yogi. Hold it, and enjoy the stretch. Let's switch sides. Now bring your left foot forward. Right knee down on the mat. Lift your arms high, hands together in prayer above your head. Stand tall, strong, and balanced. Reach up to the sky, maybe even the moon. Keep breathing nice and slow. You're doing amazing. Hold it, and feel the stretch. Hey little yogis, let's sit down for a beautiful butterfly. Bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet with your hands. Now gently flap your knees like butterfly wings. Slow, fast, however you like. Have fun and keep smiling. Sit tall, breathe in and out. Feel your body opening and relaxing. You're a happy, magical butterfly. Now for our final rest. Crescent moon. Lie down on your back. Arms and legs soft and relaxed. Close your eyes. Slow and gentle breaths. Feel your body melting into the mat. Stay calm and peaceful. Just relax and enjoy. Thank you for practicing with me today, little yogis. I'm so proud of you. Remember, every time you move and breathe, you grow stronger, calmer, and healthier. If you enjoyed our yoga time, tap like and subscribe to TinyZen Kids so we can keep growing together. Keep shining, keep breathing, keep doing yoga. See you in our next adventure.